I don't know if you can see it, but you can see all the sludge that's in the bottom of this pan. And also, somebody's been in this because you got red silicone here, and back here. And Yanmar doesn't use red silicone. No, it was not that clean when it was opened up. Turning it like that without the liner moving shows that the rings are all perfectly moving back and forth with no issues. Alright, 1 and 4 are torqued with new bearings in them and new thrust bearings as well. And now I'm bleeding, so that's the end for today. Alright, everything retorqued, triple checked the torque, spinning nice and easy, got a new gear on the front for the oil idler, and the front pulley and seal is on. Look at how nice that spins.